Hello, today I just show the emails and WhatsApp marketing automation tools. These tools using a bulk way to send emails and as well as a WhatsApp. Okay, so this is fully automation tool based on a Django Web framework and using the Playwright packages. Okay, so not using the API, not using any third party APIs and supportive, not using the aggregators. It is a simple and local based applications to regulate on business and send the leads on your customizations. So it will be save at least 2 and 3 hours to write the templates and check the leads and send data. So it will be quickly we have to get automated and scrap the data from uh, Google Maps. So simply I just explain step by step. It is a fully automation applications. It is a local based applications. So firstly we have go to a Chrome extension, name Mumbai Software Company. Okay, now I just search here. Simply go to a Mumbai Software Company and scrap the data started. Automatically, we have to scrolling the Google Maps and scrapping the data. Which one listed on a Google Maps and or a Google's. Okay, so simply it will be a scrapping the data and save on our database. After that, filter the mobile number and email ID to send a WhatsApp as well as emails. Okay, so now it's a little bit of time to scrapping the data. All type of data we have to get a scrap. Okay, so now this will be a 40 data we have to get a scrap. Uh, I just wait till the green signal Okay, currently it will be scrapping the data. So I just wait when this icon will be agreed. So scrapping will be completed. After that, export deletes. Okay, it's a little bit taken a time. Whenever in this place a taken time, I just explain another things. In this area, having a template, ready-made template regarding on your business. If I regulate, if currently I just regulate TechSparrow a dummy. Currently I just regulate a TechSparrow software solution. So I just using in name and WhatsApp ready-made template using here. Okay, embedded on our website link, and this is a optional and uploading the file. But best option is having in a cloud sections already uploaded a profile and a website, because a profile PDF profile uploaded here, so directly link will be fetched here. Because when I just send on a WhatsApp or a email, so that pages will be heavy uh, after a huge amount of sending a data like 100 to 100. So storage will be full. So lightweighted storage and a smart working, I just use the cloud based link. Okay, so in this section are email subjects, email body, and you can see our company profiles, view our website, and the company profile also embedded through a link. through a link. And in this place, this is a configuration of the email id. This is a configuration of email id. Okay. So now I just on here, yeah, scrapping will be completed. Now we have to get export the data. Now exported data is here with all details like Instagram id, Facebook id, Twitter id, LinkedIn id, place order, categories, review, rating, latitude, altitude, timing. In fact, address also we have to show here, website. So it's having a website or not, we have to also check in these places. In this area also we have to check here. Okay. So in this company not having a website, so I just offer here, I just offer here to build a website. Okay. Not, and also not having a mobile number, so how can I reach? So in this leads we have to get reached to through the addresses. Go to addresses, and then after reaching here. Okay. So multiple of data. Now, in this data we have to get save on a database. Now choose the template and simply select the company category. One category having a multiple data. Okay. So choosing the category and send message. Automatically open the web.whatsapp, another pages, playwright through the playwright module packages. Open the web.whatsapp and go to particular number, check it's if exist or not. If exist, then uh, snippet will be sent here. If exist, then snippet will be sent here. So automatically check this number is exist or not. Okay. So it's having a check the number. Check the number, if exist or not. If exist, then go to bulk messages. If not exist, then loop illiterate, go to a next lead. Okay. Now it just open the chat and paste it, check the data. That number also will be not on WhatsApp. Okay. So this loop will be illustrated and send which number we having a WhatsApp. So send it here. Okay. Now we have to come to oh, email id. No, it just selected of name here and send the email. When I just click the send email, then send all data. Which one data will be sent here? So status will be completed and not listed on here because it sent a data. In this area also having a pending data. Okay, so using these tools to save a huge amount of time and regulate to a business in a quickly method and not having an issue. So if you want this types of applications or these applications s- to want this, so connect with us. I just developed this types of application in a freelance based or remote based work. So I free to available to the freelance work and remote based works. Okay, so free to connect us through the my TechSparrow website or individually we have individually reach out also. Thank you for watching. See you next automation tools to how to more regulate through the free tools our business, how to regulate your business without using a human intellectuals, less amount of human interaction and saving your time. Okay, thank you.